Hey everyone, it's Ian K back again with another one for you, Cheaters Camp style. Headed into Del Taco after hours to take a look at a selection off of their all-new late night bites menu. Yeah, and this one looks a little loaded, as in queso loaded. So let's see what these all-new queso loaded nachos have in store for us after I scoop them up through that drive-thru.
Hi, welcome to Del Taco. I'm sorry about the wait. What can I get for you today?
No problem. Peep this out. Let me go for an order of the queso loaded nachos, please.
The queso loaded nachos, you want the regular or the large?
Regular, please.
With the taco meat?
Actually, what choices do we have tonight?
Taco meat, ground beef, the chicken, or steak?
Let's do chicken.
Okay, so the regular queso loaded nachos with chicken?
You got it.
Does that complete your order, sir?
It does.
That's going to be $4.70. Thank you.
Great, thanks a lot. I am so down for some cheesy nachos right now.
No,
Hey, yes, how you doing tonight?
Great, no questions?
Good, thank you.
Great. Here you go.
Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, and here's your receipt, sir.
Great, thanks so much.
Yes, have a great night.
Have a great night, you as well. Bye-bye. All right, guys, ready to satisfy a late night craving with me? Let's peep this out. We're after hours here at Del Taco with the Queso Loaded Nachos. And as awesome as this looks right now, guys, I was expecting to find some grilled chicken on this. You do have your choice of chicken, the seasoned beef, and Carne Asada, but it looks like I've got the beef here. And I guess because this is nachos, we're gonna do it traditional. But as you can see, it looks pretty cool. They've got a really healthy portion of the seasoned ground beef on this, along with that Queso Blanco smothered all around it. We've got some jalapenos, we've got some tomatoes, we've got some sour cream, and that's all on top of some house-made tortilla chips. And guys, I am really digging the presentation, even with those diced tomatoes. That looks pretty fantastic and very appetizing. Definitely an awesome addition for the late night bites menu here at Del Taco, and we're gonna get into it right now, guys. It's the all-new queso loaded nachos with seasoned beef here at Del Taco. Let's peep out this flavor. Something tells me I'm not gonna regret getting the seasoned beef with this one. Let's dive in. Man, where to begin? This is a pretty healthy portion for a little under $5, guys. I think I'm gonna grab this chip right here in the front and try and get as much of this stuff as I could. This is really loaded up pretty nicely. Here we go, it's the queso loaded nachos here at Del Taco. Oh. Hold on. I most definitely gotta go in one more time before I give you the breakdown, because this is pretty heavenly. And I am so glad they messed up and gave me the beef instead of the chicken. Man. You know, I want to say the last time I was at Del Taco was maybe about a year ago when I did their queso crunch taco. I'll link to that one in the upper right hand corner of your display. I believe I liked that one, but there really wasn't a lot of queso blanco in the taco that I got from what I remember. There really just wasn't very much at all. Guys, that is easily rectified with the amount of cheese, with the amount of the delicious queso that's drizzled all over this, along with the sour cream. That combination alone is ridiculously awesome. I'm going in again. I gotta use a fork real quick for this one, guys, because the chips are getting extremely soggy. As you can see, plenty of cheese, plenty of sour cream, and plenty of that seasoned beef on this one. I'm trying to keep it as steady as possible, guys. There is a lot on this one chip. But I gotta say, the flavor overall, very solid, even with the diced tomatoes and the jalapenos that I got on that first bite. Also another highlight. This is just truly delicious. Yeah, that chip was shaking trying to hold all that good stuff. Let's put it out of its misery. My God. Delicious. You know, that's really the only knock with this one. The chips do get pretty soggy very quickly here. This is really just minutes old and it's already kind of falling apart. They do have a lot of toppings on the top, which I absolutely love for presentation. And guys, the flavor is awesome. But that's really where you're gonna find all of it there. It'd be nice if there was just a little bit of something in the middle as well as the bottom just to really coat it, guys. But as it stands, they have a lot on the very top of this here. And what you do get, as you can see, is pretty plentiful. One more quick shot of this one, guys. If I can offer a little bit of advice to you, do not forget the fork. Trust me, if you don't have a fork, things are not gonna go well unless you like eating with your fingers. And in that case, this is definitely the one to do it with because it is really delicious. Yeah, this one is definitely a late night treat for sure. And I can't really hate on Del Taco too much for messing up on my order. This really is the way to have it with the seasoned ground beef. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think this queso loaded nachos here at Del Taco is the truth as far as fast food nachos are concerned? Or is there something else out there that you think I should be checking out instead of this one? Because guys, this is still pretty awesome. Drop those comments down below and definitely let me know. And as for my overall score based upon the version that I got tonight, I'm gonna have to give the Queso Loaded Nachos here at Del Taco a rock solid 9 out of 10. Soggy chips aside, guys, the flavor is insane on this. And I guess you could always spread the toppings around a bit, but it would be nice if there was just a little bit more on the bottom instead of really getting into it on top and then you're left with nothing after. Because trust me, it is that tasty enough where you're probably gonna do that. Definitely recommend it. And those are my thoughts on one of the latest here at Del Taco, coming at you after hours Cheaters Camp style as we close out another episode of Peep This Out, guys. And like I always say, I've got brand new content every single week here on my channel, so while you stay tuned for the next review coming real soon, in the meantime, stay frosty. I'm definitely coming back to get this one again, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get the grilled chicken next time. What do you say, Del Taco? Can you make that a reality for me? Please? Pretty please? Alright guys, until next time, I'll talk to you soon.